What if kung may nakapagsabi sa inyo pwede mong doblehin, triplehin, quadruplehin ang iyong income? Ang tanong, maniniwala ka ba? Ako mismo hindi ako naniwala. Pero, nung natutunan ko tong tatlong simple principles from a book that I read, talagang naniwala na ako. At kung ano yung tatlong simple principles niyan, yan ang pag-uusapan natin sa video na ito.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Thank you very much for tuning in. Nako, you are in for a treat. Itong session na ito ay napakaganda po. Ang pag-uusapan natin on how to fast charge. No? Alam niyo yung parang cellphone yan, fast charge po natin yan para mas mabilis ma-charge, para magamit po natin. Ganun din, do you want to fast charge your income? There are 3 simple principles na kailangan matutunan. Kung kayo ay interesado, ito na. Umpisa na po natin ha. May nabasa po akong libro. Actually, nung taon pa ng 2001 ko pa nabasa to. Actually, nalaman ko yung Good to Great by Jim Collins. He's an American author. Pinag-usapan po dun lahat ng mga great companies na lumaki, lumago, no? At paano sila talagang naging successful. At nung nabasa ko nga yung book na yon, basically, ang ginawa ko po ay apply the same principle with personal finance, with my own personal finance. And because of that, you know what happened? Talagang yung income ko talaga nagdoble, nagtriple, and exponential po ang growth. So, ano pong kailangan natin gawin? Again, medyo mahaba-haba itong session na ito. Kaya kung mukha ng ballpen at papel, magsulat na po kayo. Number 1, principle that I've learned from this book is focus on what you are good at. That's the first. Meron siyang kinento about a mammal or an animal na parang siyang cute na daga. No? Ang tawag nun, hedgehog. Okay? Ang hedgehog po, kung nakikita nyo sa cartoon, si Sonic, no? Si Sonic yung mabilis na cartoon. Yan yung isang hedgehog po siya. No, alam nyo ba, bigyan ko kayong perspective ba? They are already here nung panahon pa ng dinosaur, millions of years. At ang question, bakit hanggang ngayon, buhay pa ang mga hedgehog at yung mga dinosaurs ay patay na? Because they have developed a simple tool, defense strategy, and mechanism whenever may kakain sa kanila, may kakagat sa kanila. Ito yung tinatawag po ng ball curling. They curl like a ball. So, nagiging ano sila, parang bola po sila to protect themselves. So, they're only good at one thing, and that is to protect themselves like a ball. So, katulad na nakikita mo ngayon dito, parang siyang bola. At may mga spike siya. Kung may spike siya, hindi na siya kakagatin. And certainly, sinabi po ni Jim Collins, lahat ng kumpanya na pinag-aralan niya na lumaki at naging successful, most of them are really good at only doing one thing. Para kung ayaw nyo maniwala, pag-usapan muna natin yung Apple, yung cellphone po, Apple, cellphone, iPad, o lahat, di ba? Mga computers na Apple. Ang Apple, saan po magaling sila? They're very good at one thing, and that is what? Innovation. Di ba si Steve Jobs, nung buhay pa, talagang inaabangan talaga pag nagre-release siya ng produkto. Ang kagandahan po dito, may user experience, yung design, yung excellence, diba? Tapos, na-integrate nila yung technology kung paano natin nagagamit, no? Ito araw-araw yung ika nga yung technology sa, yun nga, sa buhay natin. Grabe, ang galing talaga. Pangalawa, company na pinag-aralan, Starbucks. Ginamit din po niya hedgehog concept. Isa lang magaling. Isa lang in-offer nila eh. Ano yung in-offer nila? Hindi kape. Premium coffee experience. Experience. Diba yung parang pagpasok mo, welcoming atmosphere, ang bango, ang lamig, ang tao. Diba? Tapos they build strong customer relationship. Kilala ng mga barista, ang pangalan mo, kung regular ka. Alam nila kung anong iniinom mo. Diba? Ang grabe talaga. Yung talagang experience ang binibenta nila more than a coffee. Si Tesla naman. Po, owner ng Tesla po na si Elon Musk po. Hedgehog principle din ang ginamit po niya. Ang binibenta lang po niya is simple yung idea, renewable energy. Diba? Inuna niya sa electric vehicles. Ngayon, nag-expand na po siya talaga right now. Pati sa bahay, meron na siyang Tesla houses. Diba? In the near future, lahat gusto niya po renewable energy at lalagay niya po niya Tesla. Diba? Ngayon, Satlink, diba? Yung mga satellite, meron na po siya. Grabe talaga, no? Ibang klase talaga. If you notice, all of these companies, no, they applied the hedgehog concept. They just focus on one thing that they're good at and then try to be the best at what they're doing. Diba? Yan ang ginawa po nila. Kaya nga, pwede natin gamitin to guys, ha, yung mga nakikinig at sumusunod po sa akin right now, i-reveal ko na sa inyo ang isang secret na ginagamit ko that really helped me to improve my financial life. Paano natin ma-apply itong hedgehog concept sa personal, sa finance, sa business, sa ginagawa natin? Ask yourself this following question. What skills or strength do you possess that you are good at? Saan ka ba magaling? Ano ang isang bagay na napakadali po sa inyo, na napakahirap po sa ibang tao? Di ba? Tanungin mo yung sarili mo. Ako, siyempre, ang galing ko talaga aside from good looks. No, I have the gift of communication. I have the gift that I can take something that is very complicated and make it very simple for people to understand. Just like what I'm doing right now. And the second question that you need to ask yourself is this. Ano yung activities and topics that you enjoy so much na pag-usapan, na gawin, na hindi mo napapansin na trabaho para sa'yo? Again, for me, creating contents just like this. Para sa akin, hindi po trabaho to. As a matter of fact, nung nag-umpisa naman talaga ako ng YouTube, Facebook, wala namang monetization eh. Ginawa natin yan dahil love natin, nag-enjoy tayo, at alam natin nakakatulong tayo. And then number 3, ask yourself, what opportunities exist right now in the market na pwedeng i-align natin sa iyong strength and your passion. Like for example, tanungin mo sarili mo, magaling ka ba sa pagsusulat? Magaling ka ba sa storytelling? Magaling ka ba sa content creation? Diba? Magaling ka ba magluto? Magaling mong maglaba? If you ask me, ano yung isang bagay na talagang kailangan ng market para sa akin, honestly, I'm really very good in helping other people to solve their money problems. Ever since I was young, pakialamero na talaga ako. Gusto ko talaga makatulong. So, right now, yan ang ginagawa ko. I help people to solve their money problems. Hindi ka marunong kumita, turuan kita. Hindi ka marunong humawak ng pera, turuan kita. Hindi ka marunong mag-invest, turuan kita. Nagigets nyo? So, that's number 1. I want you to reflect right now. Sulat mo, saan ka ba magaling? Grabe, and I hope, grabe tong session natin na ito. Pwede nyo ika-unlad, no? Ika-ginhawa at ikayaman pag talagang na-apply nyo tong hedgehog concept. So, second principle that I've learned from the book, para hindi nyo nabasahin, pero basahin nyo pa rin, marami pa rin magpupulong, is what we call as focus on something that works. Find something that works, and then after that, repeat. You just need to upgrade. Maghanap ka ng isang bagay na talagang gumagana. Ang goal kasi natin sa buhay is to become productive, not to become busy. Do you agree? Kasi may mga iba, maraming ginagawa, pero wala naman nangyayari, wala namang resulta. Kaya nga, ask yourself, based on your experience, hobbies, skills, diba? That really gives you fulfillment and success. Based on this, ano yung nagwo-work na sa iyo in the past? Alam mo, one thing that really worked for me in the past is definitely selling. Ever since I was age 12, I was already selling. I've been in sales for 47 years, so 59 years old na po tayo as of my recording time. Next year, excited na ako sa senior citizen card. So, imagine mo, yun, tuwing nagbebenta ako, di ba, natutulungan ko yung binibentahan ko, kumikita pa ako. So, I just want to challenge you also, no? Seek opportunities for growth and learning that aligns with your interests, with your strength. Kaya nga, alam mo guys, ito lang wag kayong manghihinayang mag-take ng courses, or if not naman, diba, maghanap kayo ng mga coaches, mentors na makakatulong po sa inyo, or if not naman, mga kaibigan nyo, diba, na magagaling na sa mga fields nila, na alam mong kumikita na at successful na. Diba, magpaturo ka sa kanila. Diba? Kaya nga for me, if you ask me what is working for me and the people who follow me is I give money solutions that I share and teach. And my money solution really works. Okay? Paano ko nasabi yan? Let's watch this.
I was so shocked and unexpected na nakita ko yung idol ko related to financial literacy, yung mga advocate mo. I am an OFW for 22 years. Let's say in 15 years, I don't save anything because even I earning a lot, yung labas-pasok lang ang pera but nothing happened. Bakasyon, ubus lahat. But when I read some of your book, it changed my mind. To be honest with you, I realized na kailangan ko mag-ipon for my future. So, I started to save one by one, and then until such time, I was able to purchase 13 units of apartment. And I'm not afraid to lose my job anymore as an OFW because I have my backup now. I'm working because I want to, not because I need to. Salamat Jinky. Thank you so much for sharing.
Diba? Kababayan nating OFW. Diba? Ngayon, meron na siyang investment. 13 units. He's working not because he needs to, he's working because he wants to. Gusto mo ba yun? Gusto mo bang malaman kung ano ang shinare ko at tinuro ko sa kanya that helped him achieve this? Okay, if your answer is yes, type yes sa comment section. Type yes. Towards the end, i-reveal ko sa inyo kung paano. Kaya nga tapusin nyo to. Now, let's go to number 3. Number 1, focus on one thing that you are good at. Hedgehog concept. Number 2, focus on something that works, na nagwo-work na so that you can monetize, di ba? I-align mo yung gusto mo, tapos nagwo-work na, palakihin mo na siya, di ba? And number 3, ito yung pinakamahalaga. Ito na po ang pwede mag-double, mag-triple, mag-quadruple ng income. Ito yung third concept na tinuro ni Jim Collins na sobrang simple, pero sobrang galing. Focus on creating momentum. Ano ibig sabihin ng momentum? Ito yung tinatawag naman sa libro ni Jim Collins na flywheel effect. Diba? Ang ibig sabihin ng flywheel, roleta. Yung roleta, diba? Pagka in-spin mo ang roleta, diba? Kung maliit lang ang roleta, konti lang yung spin. Pero kung malaki ang roleta, isang push mo pa lang, ang spin niyan, hindi isang beses, matagal ang spin niyan. Bakit po? Nagkakaroon ng tinatawag na momentum. The bigger the wheel, the bigger the momentum. The smaller the wheel, the smaller the momentum. So likewise, this applies to our business. This applies to our personal finance. And this is what I've learned. In order for you to build momentum or magkaroon ng flywheel effect, especially sa finance mo, di ba, sa business, you need to create what we call as a system. Sa business, create a system. I-digitalize mo siya. I-automate mo siya. I-online mo siya. The less human effort, the better. Bakit po? Kagandahan po kasi dito, pag automated na siya, kahit tulog ka, pwede kang kumita. Agree? Ganon din naman sa pagyaman, guys ha. Pag kumikita ka na, anong gagawin mo sa pera? I-invest mo na siya. Ang tinatawag natin na passive income. You allow money to work for you instead of you working for money. You can earn money while you are sleeping. Passive income, example lang po. May 3 kang paupahan, kumikita ka ng 25,000 pesos per month, di 75,000 ang kinikita mo kahit tulog ka. Yan po yung tinatawag natin na flywheel effect, momentum. Napakasimple ng concept pero napaka-effective. And the goal is to scale. Scale natin. Palakihin natin. Pero, ito, may catch to. May catch. Hindi ito kabilis. It takes time. You have to understand building momentum takes time and consistent effort. Just to give you a perspective, alam mo yung Chinese bamboo?
Chinese bamboo is very strong.
Alam nyo ba, on the first 4 years, no, kung may tumubo man siya, napakaliit po niya. Napakaliit lang po ang tubo. Yung parang, 4 na taon, parang bansot ka. Pero ito po, on the 5th year, 5 taon, alam mo mangyayari po, yung bamboo tree, bigla na lang tutubo ng 80 feet in just 6 weeks. 6 na linggo, magiging 80 feet na po siya. Paano nangyari yun? Bakit po? On the first 4 years, alam mo saan ang tubo niya? Hindi pataas. Ang tubo niya, pailalim. It takes a lot of patience. It takes a lot of perseverance. It takes a lot of trust in the process. Kaya mga friendship, no? Kaya nga, kung gusto nyo talaga makabuild ng momentum, huwag kayong magmamadali. As you build momentum in your business, in your personal finance, as a matter of fact, mahirap lang yan sa umpisa. Na dinidiscover mo pa yung sarili mo, hindi mo alam kung ano pa yung nagwo-work. Pero once nakabuild ka ng momentum, you'll find it easier to achieve your goals and make progress and make your vision to become a reality. Kaya nga, ito yung parang sinasabi ko the first million, earning your first million is the hardest but the next ones are easy. Mahirap lang yung umpisa pero yung susunod, napakadali na. So, how can I help naman people? Ano naman kinikreate ko to create momentum? Ito naman, sa aming TYL community, let me explain to you. There are 4 things. Itong CHIP method that I teach and share with all of my students, people that I coach, people that I mentor in personal finance. 4 lang kailangan i-master mo. Ano itong CHIP method na ito? CHIP, first you should learn how to create money. Kailangan matuto kang gumawa ng pera, which I'm discussing to you right now. Diba? Paano gumawa ng pera? Mag-double, triple, quadruple ng income. And then after creation, next H is handle. You should learn how to handle money. Kahit magaling ka mag-create, pag hindi ka marunong mag-handle, ubos ang iyong pera. And then kahit na ikaw ay magaling mag-create, mag-handle, but if you don't know how to invest your money, ubos pa rin yung pera. Bakit po? The moment you stop working, you stop earning, but you don't stop spending. Agree? You will retire broke and poor. And kahit na magaling ka mag-create, mag-handle, mag-invest, but if you fail to do the last letter, and that's letter P, protect, ladies and gentlemen, ubos pa rin ang iyong pera. Kaya nga itong chip method na ito, pag natutunan at na-apply mo ito sa personal finance mo, this will create what we call as a flywheel effect and momentum. I have coached a lot of people already and helped them with their personal financial journey. Kung gusto nyo malaman kung sino mga ito, let's watch this.
It's my understanding that he has a training and coaching regarding finances, and he's been doing this for quite some time now. He sent me so many books that, you know, to this day, my family and I still use, my wife and I still use, and we've passed some of those ideas down to our eldest. She just got accepted to University of Nevada at Reno. By the way, we're here in Las Vegas now. But in case you're wondering, the backdrop, I just dropped off my son at school. Beautiful scenery in the back. But anyways, just want to say thank you, Chinky, and for all the people that are listening, and for all the people that are considering, you know, getting into this program, I highly recommend it. So again, thank you, Chinky Tan. God bless.
I didn't know where to start. I didn't have any systems in place. I didn't understand how managing these types of opportunities properly is going to get the highest output or outflow of whatever you're trying to do in the business world, in the business segment, even obviously in this case financially. So before I met him, I was in utter organized chaos, if you will, and he really set some really solid lines of just, you got to have a system. You got to have direction. You got to have a clear goal. You got to have a good mission, a good vision. And the more crystal clear that I made my goals that he kind of helped push me towards, the bigger and better that I was able to come and to execute these ideas into actual projects that I'm now juggling here in the space. For one, I was able to make 3 shows. I have the most popular basketball podcast here in the Philippines, also ranked #1 in the United States in terms of sports news. I created a CNN show before CNN Philippines went down. It was the most popular, highest viewed show on the network. And lastly, I just started a crypto show called GM Crypto, and we are off to a hot start. We're currently #4 in tech news in the United States, and #2 here in the Philippines. And my reason I would not be able to do these 3 shows if I didn't have proper systems in place and how to run these with a good outflow. So guys, I encourage you to check out Chinky's program. It is very solid. There is news and information that you can find elsewhere. He is obviously not the only person, and may he work for you or not work for you. I think the thing in business or in finance, you gotta try it. And if you try it, hey, awesome. If it works, great. Hey, if it doesn't, move on to the next. Try something else that's going to work for you. But for me, it really worked well. So I hope you guys can learn something from that, and take care. Chinky, you're the man.
Thank you very much, Mr. Alec Peak, the Mountain Man, and Jared Dillinger, syempre, ang playing coach. Retired na po ng PBA, nasa Ginebra. Grabe. So, let's recap. Po. Ang kagandahan po, there are 3 things lang that you and I need to do, which I have applied, and I hope that you can also use this. 3 simple principles. Number 1, focus on what you're good at. Saan ka ba magaling? Number 2, focus on what really works. And then, once you already find something that works, you scale. Palakihin mo, padamihin mo. Huwag ka na maghanap pa ng iba pang opportunity. Yun yung problema kasi natin eh. Oo, panay tayo, nadidistract po tayo. We are jack of all trades, master of none. Kaya nga, focus on a system that can create the flywheel effect in order for you to create momentum. Sobra bang ganda itong session natin na ito. Ito na yung ending na isi-share ko po sa inyo na tinuro ko po yung sa real estate, tinuro ko rin kay Ali Peak, tinuro ko kay Jared Dillinger. Click the link on the comment section or the description section to know more on how you can be part of my exclusive coaching group. Okay, meron na akong coaching group po right now. Exclusive lang to. This is not open for all. And FYI, this is not for free. Okay? Sabihin ko na sa inyo. Dito sa YouTube, sa lahat ng mga podcast ko, free po siya. Pero sa coaching group, hindi po siya libre. Okay? So, if any one of you is serious, no, for the next 12 months, magkasama po tayo, type join or click the link na lang in the comment section below or on top so that you will know on how you can be part. Maraming salamat, and I hope that I was able to help you to move from your ordinary income to a good income. And right now, ang pinaka-ultimate goal natin is for you to make great income. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina po ang susi sa pagyaman.